I welcome you all. Unit 322 CS 102 Software Development Practice. This is Jagadeesan, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering. The linear gradients. What is linear gradient? In this video, we will learn about linear gradients. The CSS gradients let me display the smooth transaction between the two or more specific color. The CSS defines the three types of gradient. First one is linear gradient, goes down, up, left, right, and diagonally. Then radial gradient defined by their center, and conic gradient rotated around the center point. The CSS linear gradient. To create a linear gradient, you must define at least two color stops at the color you want to render smooth transaction among. You can also set the starting point and direction or angular for the along with the gradient effect. The syntax is the background image, linear gradient, direction, color stop 1, comma, color stop 2 is going on. The linear gradient direction top to bottom, this is the default. HTML tag should be open. Head tag, style tag, which mention the art symbol is pepper the ID attribute. And grade 1 height is 20 pixel and background color red and background image linear gradient red comma echo. The style tag should be closed. Head tag should be closed. Body tag should be open. H1 tag the linear gradient top to bottom. Then paragraph, this linear gradient starts with red at the top and transferring the yellow to the bottom. The paragraph tag should be closed. Div tag ID is grade 1 and div tag should be closed. Body tag should be closed. HTML should be closed. In direction left to right, the HTML tag should be open, head tag open, and style tag. Within the style tag, as grade 1, height 200 pixel, background color red, and background image linear gradient to right and red and yellow. The left to right should be happen. The style should be closed, head tag should be closed, body tag should be open. H1 linear gradient left to right. The paragraph is a linear gradient start the red at the left and transition to the yellow to the right, and paragraph tag should be closed. In div tag ID grade 1, the ID div tag should be closed. The body tag should be closed. The HTML should be closed. The direction, diagonal direction, how we are going to create in linear gradients. The HTML tag should be open, head tag should be open, style tag should be open as grade 1, height 200 pixel, the background color red, and background image linear gradient to bottom right, comma, red, comma, yellow. The style tag should be closed, the head tag should be closed, the body tag should be open, H1, linear gradient diagonal, H1 tag should be closed. The paragraph is a linear gradient start the red at top left and positioning to yellow at bottom right. The paragraph tag should be closed. The div ID, the grade 1 should be there, the div tag should be closed, the body tag should be closed, and the HTML tag should be closed. The linear gradient using angles, how we are going to achieve. The head tag should be open, the style tag should be there, then as grade 1 is there. So grade 1 as is the ID attribute and height is 100 pixel, background color is red, background is a linear gradient, 0 degree red yellow. As grade 2, height 100 pixel, background color is red, background image linear gradient 90 degree, comma red, comma yellow. The as grade 3, height 100 pixel, the background color is red, the background image linear gradient 180 degree red, comma yellow. As grade 4, the height 100 pixel, the background color is red, and background image linear gradient minus 90 degree, comma red, comma yellow. The style tag should be closed, head tag should be closed, the body tag should be open. H1 linear gradient using different angle, H1 tag should be closed, the div tag grade 1, in that the style is text element is center 0 degree, div tag should be closed, and the BR tag. The following the break can be happen. And div ID grade 2, the style text element center 90 degree, div tag should be closed, the break tag should be there. Div ID grade 3, style is text align center 180 degree, div tag should be closed, the break should be there. The div ID grade 4, the style is text element center and 90 degree, div tag should be closed and body tag should be closed and HTML should be closed. Thank you.